Meron po akong mga kliyente na bumili ng property. Initially, ayaw po nila ipa-inspect ito kasi renovated at saka ayaw nilang magbayad ng inspection fee. Pero pinaliwanag ko sa kanila na hindi lang naman yung superficial ng bahay ang tinitingnan natin, kundi kung ano yung nasa likod. Nakinig naman sila, so pina-inspect namin. True enough, may problema. May asbestos yung ceiling at saka yung dingding. So laking pasalamat nila that they listened to me, so hindi namin tinuloy yung pag-purchase nila nung bahay na yon at naghanap sila ng ibang property wherein ang structure outside at saka inside were very sound. So take note, pag bumili po kayo ng bahay, ipa-inspect po ninyo kahit mukhang napakaganda at napakaayos nito. If you need more information, contact me. This is Maylene Lim, ang inyong Pinay Mortgage Broker.